Simon & Schuster Audio presents Love is a Dog That Bites When It's Scared by Courtney Marie Andrews. Performed by Courtney Marie Andrews.
To be wanted, to be held, despite the secrets that you tell, to be drunk on cheap champagne, dancing with Martha in the rain.
Puppy Love. This summer everything smelled of magnolias. Not honey nor maple, but sweet. We walked wind-swept, sniffing, salt air shaken and stirred, a hurricane teasing the island. That is the moment I'll come back to, thumbing through my memory Rolodex, absent words exposing only what was felt. Not everything owned is tangible. Not everything tangible is owned. It's better when it's not kept or borrowed, but uniquely present. A human heart is there, beating. Isn't that enough? A whiff, a color, a dream, a life bending toward another sunset. Wrapped in a quilt brighter than the public, we sought ideas bigger than ourselves. We found love that summer, the summer everything smelled of magnolias. Oranges. When there is nothing to do, we eat oranges. On our backs, belly up, citrus quenching our pain. Rumi speaks of God, but had he ever tried a Florida fruit fresh from the vine? What a privilege to find nothing to do for 1 hour in the day. To laze about like two koalas, eucalyptus smiles, sour-pressed lips rolling around the orchard, dirt in our teeth. This is my bird. Ibis, spoonbill, honey-eater, lorikeet, all mate for life. Ruffling feathers, free and flying, always returning. We could be collecting branches for Mikasa, you in the sky, me here in this tree, or vice versa. Meanwhile, every stranger assumes unbound pleasure, unmoored autonomy. Yet we find our way back. Enough. How much, we asked? More than the ocean, the sky, the trees, more than our history, enough to stop the comet from crashing into Earth, enough to keep trying, enough to risk failure, enough to crawl out of any debris, lifting our pasts up from the rubbish, more than words, knowledge, more than explanations, bodies, time? Accidents. I did not set out in search, some lonely excavator. There was abundance, a gold mine of security, though the real stuff falls like rain. All of the sudden you are wet, remembering that umbrella in the downstairs closet, so comforting and safe, but always forgotten. Meanwhile, the storm stains your Italian pink suede, and for the first time in years you feel it all. Accidents happen. You drop the wine bottle, aisle 8. It shatters, cuts your hand. Some cashier is rushing toward you with the broom. You call your mother to tell her what happened. She is worried because she remembers how hurt you were in your early 20s. You assure her that cut was different. Your lover arrives, peering over the mess. He's afraid too, because love is like holding up a mirror and looking at the most terrifying parts of yourself. Shattered glass, messy beginnings. The timing is god-awful. Your gut is a shy announcer. Yet, there you are, sitting on the curb in a puddle, laughing, bleeding. What makes
Sample complete. Ready to continue?